Hi, I'm Rotem from Prometheus. We are a creative services company that specializes in channel branding. And what I will demonstrate is the main tool we are using for channel branding, which is the Viz Multichannel. Just as an introduction, Viz Multichannel is an automation tool that actually takes graphics automatically and put it on top of your playlist and inject data from the playlist and other data sources into the graphics itself. And I'll just show how it works. Graphics, of course, can be, any graphics. It can be a logo bug, a next movie, or Squeezeback, stickers, stuff like that. And I will demonstrate how it works and how we use it in Prometheus with our customers. So I have this Scooby-Doo movie inside my playlist, which is kids, actually, content. So we decided to create several set of rules inside Multichannel that says if you have kids TV show on screen, show the kids channel logo at the top. Wait for 10 seconds and then show what will be next on the TV. So what it looks like is like this. So I have a list of rules, you see nested rules under kids. So if EPG genre will be kids, I'm just putting next on kids with the offset of 10 seconds. And I can create more and more rules on top of it to automate all the graphics. When I'm importing the playlist inside the multi-channel, what I'm getting is the same playlist I had, you can see, inside my traffic system. But now if I'm opening the primary event, I can see automatic graphics that was generated by multi-channel. So I can see here the logo bug. If I'm opening it, I can see that 10 seconds after it puts the next on kids channel. So when the automation system tells to multi-channel, I started to show the Scooby-Doo, now I can see on the screen the kids channel logo. I'm waiting for 10 seconds, and after 10 seconds, I will see the next on kid channel, which will be right now. And you see that it says next on kid channel, vertigo. Let's go back to the Viz Multichannel. So I'm opening the next on kids channel, and it says vertigo. If I'll take this next, and I put it on the next event, let's open it again, and you can see next on kids channel, bewitched. So actually, all the graphics is generated automatically. I can do the same over and over again, and every time I'll get different data. But that data not necessarily should be only in text format, also in visual format. So let's take this Squeezeback, for example. Let's see it for a minute. OK, so this is the Squeezeback we are using for a kids channel, small kids. You can see it's very nice, a lot of different animations. I will open it inside the system. You can see the scene itself. This is the scene. And now, if I look at this scene, I can see it's a very smart one. So actually, I have dynamic backgrounds. So I can choose which background to use. Now, after you created this scene, which is smart scene, now you can let the Viz Multichannel to choose which background to show according to the playlists. So if you have an educational show, maybe show this background. If you have something maybe funny, show this background. If something scientific, maybe the spaceship background. And it's not only background. If I play the scene, you can see it's also the animation. So I can see here spaceships. If I change the background, I see bears. Change it again, you can see some laboratory stuff. That's the idea. So now I want to show how we are using Viz Multichannel in many different ways now that we are understanding what the tool does. So let's say you have a very big campaign. I'll just open the graphics. If you have very big campaigns, you can say, OK, let's do several different elements on screen. So I can use Squeezeback. So if I look at the screen, now I can see Squeezeback that promote a reality show for cooking. But if it's a very big event and you want to conquer the screen, let's do something maybe even bigger, like taking the whole screen, promote the TV show. And you can do it automatically. So you can say every time you have a different reality show on screen, promote the other one with these graphics. So everything is automatic again. Now let's say you have a promo department, which makes sense. Everyone has promo department. And you are creating a lot of promos every day. You can take a shorter version of the promo and ingest it inside Vizrt and use it as a Squeezeback. So actually, this is a short version of a promo. But what's nice about it is that you can see that the finish frame has some data like Tuesday, 5 o'clock. why not give the multi-channel the option to change the time and the day according to the playlist? Or maybe manually, if you want to say like soon or tomorrow, or maybe, you know, like this weekend. So let's maybe open this scene and change it to this weekend. Save the scene, and next time it will go on screen automatically. You will see the same promo again, but without the promo department, you can now see that you have a different finish frame like this weekend. So that's the idea. And you can use it, of course, for different things like lower thirds if you want to use it, in different skins, like, you know, this is a colorful skin, but if you want to use it in black and white, you can have it as well. So it's up to you now to be creative enough with the ideas, but not also ideas, but also visuals, to create whatever you want in Vizrt and to use it automatically in Viz Multichannel. Now, to summarize everything, I want to show some very nice example. We have this channel that has an HBO content. They're starting to broadcast at 8 o'clock in the evening. So during the day, they have this boring slide saying, okay, we'll be back at 8 o'clock. Now, if it was at night, it wasn't very important, but because it's during the day, it's like a wasted channel. So we said, okay, let's take this channel, make something very interesting, maybe gameful. Let's grab the viewer's attention and try to promote the channel and the TV shows that they have. And we used multi-channel and other Vizrt tools to make this slide as the day loop that they have today. So now we have this trivia game, and from once in a while you see trivia questions about the TV shows that the channel have. And you can see, we have hundreds of TV shows, and we are randomly showing those questions on screen. So now instead of the viewer to stare on the slide for a second and then change the channel, he can stare on the channel for a whole minute or 2 minutes now, just because he wants to see if he knows the answers, right? And we use also multi-channel to populate the schedule for tonight. And we even use Viz1 to put some promos here in a promo loop. So you see everything together, all the tools in one slide. So multi-channel not only populate the data, but decide when to show the slide. So it put the slide on screen in the morning and take it out 8 o'clock in the evening to let the content start its show. So this was how you can channel brand your channel using Viz Multichannel in IBC 2014.